Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to correctly uninstall a program from your machine, which will bring you one step closer to becoming a techie. Now, I have had friends and family who would ask me how to remove a program from the machine, and they will explain to me how they believe that by simply right-clicking on a program on your desktop and deleting it would remove it from your computer. So this was the reason why we decided to make this video. This is an incorrect way of removing a program. Deleting it from your desktop would only delete the shortcut to that program. It would still be on your computer, which means that you might think that programs have been removed, but they will still be there and they will clutter your computer. So, in order to correctly remove a program, please go to your Start menu and type Control Panel. This is the view you would get on Windows 10. Do not worry if it's a bit different because you're running a previous version of Windows. It's okay. Just look for the setting called Programs and in particular Uninstall a Program. Clicking on Uninstall a Program will bring a list of all programs currently installed on your machine. Look through the list and find the one that you wish to uninstall. Once you do that, click on it and then click on Uninstall. This will bring several windows asking you to confirm that you wish to uninstall this program, and perhaps you might even go through a setup wizard which will basically take you through the necessary steps in order to remove the program from your machine. Completing the wizard and confirming uninstalling the program will completely remove the program from your computer. However, I personally like to take one further step in order to ensure that all files related to the program I just uninstalled have also been removed. So I use a tool called CCleaner. You can use any other tool. This tool basically analyzes your computer and finds any temporary and unnecessary files and removes them. It helps with decluttering with your computer and improving speed, and I really like to do that every time I uninstall a program. So this is one of the steps I take. The other thing I do is going to the registry settings. Registries are files necessary for your computer to run. I'm not going to go into any technical details, but what I would like to say is that some programs, when you install them on your machine, create registry files. And when you uninstall the program, it does not remove the registry files, perhaps because if in the future you install the same program again, it's going to pick the registry files, see any previous settings you've saved, and try to restore it from that point. But it's always good to remove those registries, even if you're intending to install the program in the future. So what I would do, I would click on Scan for Issues. That would bring any registry files that my computer believes are incorrectly there. I would wait for it to complete and then click on Fix Selected Issues. Doing so will completely remove the program and any related file from your machine. I hope you found this useful. If you want any further information on the tool I used, CCleaner, or about the steps I've just done, please go to the description of this video. There is a link to our blog and read any further information. Thank you.